Gregorio and Danville Remila. Please come forward for our sashing ceremony. May I invite, of course, Miss Hazel Joyce Solano and Mr. Charles Solano for our sashing ceremony. Alright, first of all, for our sashing ceremony, for our newest brand ambassador, please welcome Mr. Alright, so at this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, for the formality of our program this afternoon, we are now moving forward first for our contract assignee. And as we have witnessed a while ago, we have witnessed a discussion of the perks and responsibilities that they got for being the newest brand ambassador of Simple Joys. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, please give them a big round of applause. Of course, we are also acknowledging the presence of the admin staff from Simple Joys over there. Ayan. Thank you so much for gracing this event for this afternoon. Alright, so our dearest ambassadors, please open your folders as you are about to take and seal your agreement for being our newest brand ambassador.
Yung binalik ko na. Kanina yun yung ahon.
Alright, we are now currently seeing the official sending of the agreement of our ambassadors, and of course, Miss Hazel and Mr. Charles Solano. And we are very delighted to welcome you in our growing family of Simple Joys. Alright, may I invite our ambassadors and of course our two esteemed guests. Please stand for a photo op. And once again, please give them a big round of applause as they are now part of our Simple Joys family.
Closer. Closer. Closer po. Kita. Kita.
Ready, 1, 2. One more.
As brand ambassadors of Solano Hotel. Alright, now have a seat for a while. Please give a big hand to our newest brand ambassador, Solana Hotel, Stephen Santiago, Mendoza, and Marvin Zamante. They are now the newest brand ambassadors of Solano Hotel. And later on for our sashing ceremony, we are calling them one by one. And of course, we are asking for a short message. Alright, you can now have a seat.
Record ka siya. Paano ko yun? For YouTube. Iba talaga ang J-Bar. The famous J-Bar.
Alright, it's now time to put a tin on your paper.
Happening now is the signing of contract with Mr. International Philippines 2024 winners with Solano Hotels and Silpo Choice. Please don't forget to share this live, guys.
Alright, so once again, please give them a big round of applause as they are now part of the Solana Hotel family. Alright, one more time, please rise for a photo opportunity. And after this, we are now moving forward in introducing our newest ambassador of Solana Hotel and Resort, formerly known as Casa Isabel.
Sige po, closer pa po.
Closer pa.
Sir, closer. Ate pa. Okay.
Alright, thank you so much, our Solana Hotel ambassadors. You can now have a seat. And brace yourselves, everyone, because we are now moving forward to the last but definitely not the least of our newest brand ambassador of Solana Hotel and Resort. Please give a big hand to Andrew Lucas and Ian Katimbang.
Andrew. Ito yung dyan siya. Siya busy. Nasa akin siya. 4 days lang. Wait lang sa... Hindi nagmana sa national duel. Pag tumabait na bata, hindi nagmana sa national duel. So,
once again, please stand for a photo opportunity as you are now part of the Solana Hotel and Resort family. After this, we are now moving forward to the most anticipated and awaited part of the ceremony, the sashing ceremony. Once again, I'll be calling our ambassadors one by one for an opportunity. Alright? Alright, beginning with our sashing ceremony of Solana Hotel and Resort, Andrew Lucas. Alright, Mr. Ian, please step aside for a while, because you were after Mr. Andrew. Once again, please give a big hand to Andrew Lucas. Joining him is our President, Mr. Charles Solano, and of course, Ms. Hazel Joyce Solano. Alright. Alright, Mr. Andrew, can we ask for a short message? Here's a microphone. And how's your feeling of being part of Solana Hotel and Resort family?
Okay, thank you very much for choosing me as one of the ambassador of Solana Hotel. And thank you to Sir Charles Solano. Thank you also to the director of MIPH Batangas, Mr. Marcingan, for helping me step on this opportunity. And once again, thank you so much.
Alright, thank you so much, Mr. Andrew. And of course, we are looking forward to celebrating more events with you. Next up is Mr. Ian Katimbang. He is also one of the ambassadors of Solana Hotel and Resort. Alright, Mr. Ian, can we ask a short message also on how's the feeling of being part of Solana Hotel and Resort family? Here's the microphone.
Alright, so good day everyone. So I'm really grateful that I'm now part of the growing family of Solana Hotel, and I look forward to creating lasting memories together with my friends and also my fellow kings from Batangas and even in the national pageant. So thank you so much for the people behind this success. Definitely this achievement would not be possible if it weren't for the people, such as my director from Batangas and also the organization of Mr. International Philippines. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much also, Mr. Ian. Can I have us for a while? Moving forward is the sashing ceremony of Solana Hotel. Starting off with Mr. Stephen Santiago.
Ayun na lang.
Joining Mr. Stephen, of course, is our President, Mr. Charles Solano.
Here po. Thank you.
Alright, Mr. Stephen, it's your time to express your emotions and feelings of being part of Solana Hotel family. Sir, here's the microphone. Go ahead.
Hello everyone. And I'm excited po sa makasama po sa isang magandang community and family natin. And thank you.
Thank you also, Mr. Stephen, for accepting the challenge. Next up is Mr. Brent Mendoza.
Here po. One more.
Mr. Grant. That's the microphone. Go ahead.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Gusto ko lang pong magpasalamat sa kay Sir Solano po and kay Direk John Roy po sa pagbigay po ng opportunity para makasama po ako dito. Yun lang po. Thank you po.
And of course, to make the list of our Solano Hotel brand ambassadors, please welcome Mr. Marvin Diamante.
Star naman siya.
Here po. One more.
Dito Marvin. Last one.
Alright, Mr. Marvin. It's a microphone.
Hello everyone. Thank you so much Solano Hotel for giving me a chance to become an ambassador, and I'm looking forward for the future events. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We are now down to our last set of our ambassadors from Simple Joys, starting off with Mr. Marcos Parcon.
Here po. One more. Okay.
Alright, Mr. Marcos, can we ask for a short message?
Hello everyone, good afternoon. I just want to thank the Mr. International Philippines Organization and Sir Paul Joyce and Solano Hotel. I'm looking forward to making good memories with you.
We are also looking forward to that, Mr. Parcon. Next up is Mr. Ray Mendoza.
Okay, ano po.
Ayun, 5 minutes.
Gora man. Here po. One more.
Alright, Mr. Ray, we have the microphone and deliver the message.
Hi everyone. First and foremost, I'd like to say that I'm very happy to be a part of this growing family, and I'm looking forward to making memories with this family.
Thank you so much. Third on the list, please give a big hand to Mr. Mott Gregorio.
Here po. One more.
Alright, Mr. Matt.
Good afternoon, everyone. Hello po. First of all, I would like to thank to Mr. International Philippines Org, to our President, Sir Amir Gamama, to our Vice President in Communication, Tito Norman Tino, to our Vice President in Business Development, John Balingit, and to Ms. Hazel and Sir Charles Solano. Maraming salamat po for giving us an opportunity to be the one of the brand ambassador of Simple Joys.
Thank you so much. And the last but definitely not the least, please give a big hand to Mr. Dan V. Rebela. Rebela.
Here po. One more.
Alright, sir.
So, yan. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. I'm very thankful po na naging part ako ng family. Thank you po, Sir Charles, Ma'am Hazel, this opportunity sa Mr. International Philippines Organization and sa team ko. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much. And of course, before we officially end our ceremony, we are going to ask for a short message from the man behind this contract signing. Please give a big hand to our President, Mr. Charles Solano. Sir, to follow daw po ang inyong sash. Sir?
Magandang hapon sa ating lahat. Unang-una gusto kong pasalamatan si Sir Amir, si Derek John Roy, para si Derek. Salamat sa pagtitiwala niyo sa Solano Hotel at Simple Joys Venezuela. Sa lahat ng mga bagong ambassadors ng Solano, Simple Joys, maraming salamat sa inyo. Congratulations. Isa na kayo kapamilya.
Thank you so much, Mr. Charles. And at this juncture, we are now inviting all of our brand ambassadors to have a photo opportunity to get. Alright, once again, photo opportunity, handling your tokens. And next up, we are going to ask for a photo opportunity together with the Mr. International Organization, together with Mr. Charles and the newest brand ambassadors.
Mamaya ka na dyan. Diyan ka muna sa far away. Marcos, hi. Charek. Nak Marvin's fine.
Alright, by this time, we are inviting the organization to join them for the photo opportunity.
Solo ka, Sir Amir.
Video lang.
Video ka. Video lang. Ikaw lang.
Patayo lang daw.
Kasama kami na? Ay, may sinasabi ako sa Miss Hazel.
Alright, starting off with our Mr. International Batangas with Sir John Roy for a photo opportunity.
Batangas daw muna.
Mr. International Batangas with Sir John Roy together with Sir Charles for a photo opportunity.
Sir Amir, ba't walang hakot ang kapit?
Compress mo.
Hindi kayo naghakot.
Nasira ng bus.
Center po.
Nasira ng bus.
Alright, thumbs up. Ayan. Alright, thank you so much. Next is our Mr. International together with Sir Amir.
Uy, Marvin.
Sir John naman.
Marvin. Center. Sige. Compress po. Compress po tayo. Matt. Ano? Red. Compress po. Okay.
Ready, 1, 2.
Alright, thank you so much. And by this time, we are also inviting our staff from Simple Joys and Solano Hotel together with our newest brand ambassador for a photo opportunity. Ayan, isang photo opportunity po sa lahat ng staff ng Simple Joys, Solano Hotel, kasama ang ating newest brand ambassadors.
Yes po, kay Joyce.
Parang ganun. Kasha ba?
Pwede sa baba, sabi mo.
Mga babae kasi pwede nga.
Di mga...
Ay, sino yung akin na
Pwede pong ano po.
Pasok pa kayo.
Pasok pa.
Di pa sa may circle sa akin.
Pasa.
Nakaluhod.
Dapat may mga nakapo.
Oo, pwede. Ano bang ano? Yung mga naka-block daw po.
Opo kayo. Yan. Yung carry makaupo.
Sige pa po. Compress pa po tayo.
Yung iba dito para makita ko na yung may nakaligid siya dito. Wala naman doon.
Hindi na pantay. Doon, yung iba po. Ate po kayo.
Ayan.
Ayaw mahiwalay. Eme.
Closer.
Hiwalay. Kasya kayo ha. Closer pa.
Apo.
Closer. Ayan.
Sige po, para.
Okay, then jump shot. Say Say cheese. Kaya may video. Ay, ba?